The Ethnic Relations Commission handed over its Elections Observations Report 2025 to GECOM today, Thursday, 27th November 2025, at the Guyana Elections Commission office at its headquarters in Georgetown, and receiving the report was the Madam Chair, Justice Retired Claudia Singh, at their headquarters. The submission marked the conclusion of the Commission's accredited observation duties and reaffirmed its commitment to promoting peaceful and inclusive democratic processes. The ERC's Elections Observations Report revealed that the elections were concluded and conducted peacefully, professionally, and in accordance with national law. Voters from all racial and ethnic groups were able to exercise their franchise freely without intimidation, discrimination, or obstruction. Although minor inconsistencies were noted regarding the placement of ballot compartments, visibility of signage, and accessibility for persons with disabilities, none of these issues compromise the integrity or inclusiveness of the process. The report also indicates the campaign periods for elections 2025 was highly competitive. However, there were significantly less infractions as compared to the 2020 electoral cycle. It further highlighted that Elections Day 1 September 25 was observed as orderly, calm, and free of tensions, allowing voters to exercise their democratic rights without hindrance. ERC report commended GECOM for effectively administering the electoral procedures in accordance with national and electoral laws. Notably, the report highlighted the marked reduction of cases for the elections period 25 versus 2020. The ERC's investigative unit recorded 29 cases during 2025 elections monitoring period, as compared to 124 cases in 2020, approximately 100 cases less in 2025. This decrease was attributed to several factors, such as increased levels of transparency and efficiency by GECOM. Unlike the prolonged period in 2020, these improvements contributed significantly to a stable environment with fewer opportunities for ethnic tensions or misinformation to escalate. The ERC also expressed appreciation to GECOM, Guyana Police Force, political party agents, accredited observers, constituency bodies, and partner organizations. The Commissions reiterate its readiness to continue working collaboratively to ensure the future elections remain peaceful, harmonious, and reflective of the will of all people of Guyana. Once again, congratulations to Madam Chair of GECOM, the Commission, staff of GECOM, and all Guyanese. Congratulations who participated in the national and regional elections of 2025. God bless you. God bless Guyana.